How to add receipt to McDonald's app. Open the McDonald's app and log in to your McDonald's reward account. Tap More on the bottom menu and select Add Missing Points from Receipt. Have your receipt ready with the restaurant number, date, time, order number, and total purchase amount. Enter the restaurant number printed on the receipt. Input the date and time of your visit as shown on the receipt. Add the order number and subtotal. Review all details for accuracy. Wait up to 24 hours for your points to appear in your account. Check your rewards balance in the app to confirm the update. This simple process ensures your receipt is added for rewards without any hassle. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.